Hello. Say hello, Fred.
Hi. Hi, love.
Okay, so here we are, Mrs. Jones and Fred, and we've come to do some more maths. Now, we're going to do some more odds and evens because me and Fred have really enjoyed finding out how you can discover how to work out what's an odd number and what's an even number, haven't we, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay, so just to refresh our brains, numbers that are shared between two groups, and when the two groups are equal, they have the same amount in each group, and there is nothing left over, that is an even number. And if you want to work out how to find an odd number, you have to then share your number between two groups, and if there is a number left over, and also don't forget the groups will have unequal amounts, that means one will be bigger and one will be smaller, then that is an odd number. Okay, so let's find some more odd and even numbers. Thank you, Fred. It's helping me push my board. Boo. Okay, so odd and even numbers. Now, me and Fred have got our number line, okay? So before we do anything else, we're going to do some counting. Sorry, Fred?
I'm tired.
Oh, well, the children have been looking forward to seeing you, Fred.
Oh.
So you're going to have to shake yourself up. Okay, I think he's awake. Are you ready to do some counting, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, we've got our number line to 10. And we're going to look at all the different numbers. Right then, Fred. Haven't got any bricks today. I'm going to do my own marks. Okay. All right, so we're going to look at number 1. And I'm going to put 1 dot underneath. Yeah. Now, how do you work out, Fred, if that's an odd or even number?
Well, you have to share it into two groups.
Okay, well, I've got 1 of something. I haven't got anything to put in my second group.
Oh. I remember. Can you make a pair? So it's got a friend.
Not really. And it hasn't got a friend, Fred.
Oh. Must be an odd number.
Yes, it is. It's odd. Now then, we'll look at number 2. I'm going to make my marks. 1, 2. Okay then, Fred. So, this time let's ask ourselves a few questions. Have I put them into two groups?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if I put a line down the middle, you can see that I've put them into two groups. Are my two groups equal? Have they got the same amount, Fred?
Yeah. 1 in one group, 1 in another.
Yes. Okay. Could I make them into a pair, Fred?
Yeah, it's got a friend.
So it must be an even number. Tell you what, Fred, I'm going to put a circle around the even number. There we go. It's a bit of a wobbly circle, but it doesn't matter. Right then, Fred, let's look at, what's this number?
3.
We're going to look at the number 3. Okay, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that looks a bit different, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got a sticky out bit. There's one on their own.
Yes, there's a sticky out bit and there's one on their own. Right, let's ask our questions then. Put my line down the middle so you can see my two groups. Right, do the groups look even, Fred?
No.
No, they don't. I've got 2 on this side, 1 on that side. They're not equal. Okay, let's do our pairs. That's 1 pair. Oh, 1 on its own.
Without a friend.
I know. So, what's that number then? Odd or even, Fred?
Odd.
Okay. Oh, don't put a ring round that one, Mrs. Jones. That's an odd number. Right, okay. So, let's look at number 4, Fred.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, how's that looking, Fred?
Looks good. They look the same.
Okay, let's put my line down the middle so you can see my 2 groups. Let's pair them up. Oh yeah, got 2 pairs. Looking good. What do you reckon then, Fred?
Even.
Even. I'm going to put a ring around the number 4. Let's look at number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's got a sticky out one.
Yes, it has. It's got 1 on its own. So I'm going to put my line down the middle for my 2 groups, remember? Let's see if they're equal.
No, they are different.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. They are different. So I'm going to put them in pairs. 1 left over. Odd or even. What do you think, Fred?
Odd.
Yeah, I think so too. Right, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what do you reckon, Fred?
Looks the same.
It does look the same. Put that down there. Look at my 2 groups. I've got 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Let's pair them up. 1, 2, 3. Anybody left out? Have they all got friends?
Yeah, they are even.
That's an even number. Ooh. Let's have a look at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. What do you reckon, Fred?
Got a sticky out bit.
It's got a sticky out bit. Let's put my line down the middle to show my 2 groups. Okay. Are my 2 groups the same, Fred?
No, I don't think they are.
No, I don't think so either, but we'll pair them up. They've got friends, they've got friends, they've got friends, but got 1 without a friend.
Yeah. Odd.
It's an odd one. Now then, I'm gonna have to move myself. Oh, wait.
Hello.
Fred. No, silly village. Right. Sorry, but I can't reach the other side of my number line. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Okay. Number 8. Fred, I'm going to put my line down the middle and I'm going to group them into pairs. Right, you just tell me, what do you think? Odd or even?
Even.
Okay. Shall we to number 9?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do we think, Fred?
Looks a bit odd.
It's got that sticky out bit. Let's put my line down the middle to look at my 2 groups. Let's get them into pairs. Oh, 1 left over. So that means
Odd.
do you know, I'm not going to work out number 10.
We're not.
No, we're not. We are going to make a prediction.
Are we?
We are. Because look here, Fred.
Can I peep over the top?
Yes, you can. Okay. So, if you see, Fred, a little bit closer. If you see, I put a ring on all the numbers that we worked out were even numbers. All the other numbers, without a ring round them, are odd numbers. And we're going to look at this. So I'm going to go odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Wonder what that one could be.
Do it one more.
I think he's nearly got it. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. What would it be?
I think the pattern suggests that number 10 would be even.
I think he could be right. I'll tell you what, you could check at home. Why don't you have a little check using our rules to work out if number 10 is an odd or even number? Come on down then, Fred. Okay, so if you remember, we explained to Fred that numbers that can be shared into two equal groups with no numbers left over are even. Numbers that are shared into two groups that are not equal, that means they're not the same, and they have numbers left over, they are odd. And you can also pair your numbers up, put them into pairs like Mrs. Jones has, put your objects into pairs. And if they've got a friend and there's none left over without a friend, it's even. And if there's one left over without a friend, it's odd. So, I want you to prove that me and Fred are right. We think number 10 is even. You work out if you could prove it. Enjoy. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.